Hi there. I just wanted to come on here and remind everybody that I am a 2025 Shades for Migraine community leader. So tonight, I wanted to just share with you my unboxing of my 2025 migraine stuff for Shades for Migraine. So let's get to the unboxing. We got some bubble wrap. Ooh, look at this. This is my 2025 t-shirt for a community leader, and on the back it says Shades for Migraine. Love the shirt. So this year I have the opportunity to pass out some books, and I'm going to try to go to places like Barnes and Nobles and some other places where kids are to read this story, hopefully. So thanks Shades for Migraine for the books. Then we have the kids sunglasses this year, and let's see what they look like. Ooh, aren't those nice? So we have those. I have the kids ones, and then I have my regular oops, those are all kids. We have the adult ones over there, and here we have a migraine fact sheet. Plenty of information about migraine to share with those, so people who don't know anything can learn about migraine. That is also wonderful. Then we have in here, there are some stickers. Says, show you care, wear a pair. Shades for Migraine. So I love that. Here we have some more informational pamphlets talking about migraine, how you can support Shades for Migraine to help further education, and there's even a QR code so you can participate. So what else do we have? Here, my Shades for Migraine tote bag. Use this to carry all of my stuff. Then we also have the adult glasses. They're just like the kids except slightly bigger. So these are the adult glasses. So this year, think about helping us out by always wearing a pair of sunglasses. If you don't have a pair like these, any pair of sunglasses will do. So remember, June 21st is Shades for Migraine Day. So like the sticker says, show you care and wear a pair. You don't have to have migraine to wear a pair of Shades for Migraine sunglasses. So just remember that. June 21st, everyone put on a pair of sunglasses to show your support. Thanks, everybody.